Google Chrome has long been the go-to web browser for Android users, offering a seamless and user-friendly browsing experience. However, a number of users have taken to the social media platforms to report the constant crashing of Google Chrome and Android apps. But before we get to that, if this video helps you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. The constant crashing of Google Chrome has become a widespread problem for users worldwide. It appears that the Android system WebView is responsible for this problem. Users have also reported seeing a prompt saying the installed version of WebView caused Chrome to crash. These crashing issues have undoubtedly caused a major inconvenience for users worldwide, and they are now eagerly looking for a fix. Fortunately, we have come across a workaround that can help fix the issue temporarily. It involves resetting Chrome and Android system WebView. For now, Google hasn't acknowledged the issue, and the support team is only directing affected users to the troubleshooting guide. We hope that the team looks into the reports and comes up with a fix as soon as possible. That said, we'll update our article about this issue as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.